Hello everybody, it's Stephen again. This week the Premier League started again in England, so that's the Football League in England. And a lot of football fans are excited because they can finally go and watch their team play again after a long summer. And it's exciting to see the new players that your team's bought or how your team's going to perform this season. So it's a very big weekend in England. So I thought that this week I'd introduce some new words for people who maybe like football or people who maybe want to come to the UK and watch a football game. It might be useful to learn some new vocabulary. So I've made a board with some words. So I know in Japanese there's lots of words which are similar to English, so I've not bothered to include them. So I've tried to do mostly words which are maybe different. So if I start at the top of the list, so we've got soccer. So in Japanese people say soccer because in America as well, that's what they say. But in Britain we say football. Okay. The second word I've got is zenhan. Okay. So in English we say first half. Okay. The third word I've got is kohan. So in English we say second half. And then after that we've got additional time, which in English we say injury time. So I think officially we call it additional time as well, but often in everyday conversation people will call it injury time. And then the next one we've got is a PK. So in English we call that a penalty. Okay. And then after that we've got PK sen. So obviously after it goes to extra time and it's still a draw, they have a PK sen. So in English we call that a penalty shootout. And then the next one we've got is senshu kotai. And in English we say a substitute. So when a team senshu kotai suru no toki, they make a substitution. And then if a player scores ni tokuten, so in English we call that a brace. So it's okay to say he scored 2 goals. But often in commentary the announcer will say he scored a brace. And then I think in Japanese it's very similar, but if a player scores 3 goals, in santokuten, we say he scored a hat-trick. Okay? So there's maybe some interesting and maybe some new words to see there. So I hope that was useful for you, and thank you for watching the video. I'm a Liverpool supporter, so I'm quite happy today because Liverpool won, but there's still a long way to go in the season, so I'll see how it goes from here on. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!